Next, foreign exchange exposure. What is this foreign exchange exposures? Operation in foreign exchange market are exposed to number of risks follow. So these operations are exposed to number of risk and follows. What are they? Transactional exposure, translational accounting exposure, and economic exposure. There are three type of exposures. These foreign exchange exposures are there. What is this? Transaction exposure. It is a measure to the effect of exchange rate change and outstanding obligation that are settled after exchange rate changes. So I'm this exchange rate I agreed in one, but I have done in a different rate. So due to the exchange rate, there is a problem. Prices increase or decrease. This is transaction exposure. First exposure, transaction exposure. Second, translation or accounting exposure. This refers to gain or loss caused by translation in foreign currency, asset and liability into currency at parent company for consolidation purposes. What happens? Sometimes I have not done any transaction, but I have an account in the foreign country. That account, I have some currencies. So that account holding some dollars. Due to this inflation, due to the dollar inflation, dollar value has increased. So due to that increase in dollar value, my values increase or decrease. This is being found in consolidation. This is what translation accounting exposure. Economic exposure, it is referred to extent in which economic value of company can decline due to change in exchange rates. The exchange rates changes alter the cost of firm's input and prices of its output. What is this? Sir, I am not holding anything. Now, example, the share market, some companies will be there. These companies have a huge assets in various countries. So if at all a situation where country's economy is falling out, the currency value will drop down. So even though the company is performing well, due to the reason this company is listed in other country, the dollar value or the currency value decline will affect the price of the company in the stock exchange. That is what economic exposure. Thank you. Foreign exchange exposures.